Have you ever said, I wish I could remember my dreams? Well, you can. In this video, I'll give you 4 steps to help you remember your dreams tonight. Hi, my name's Karen. I dream a lot, and I like to study and talk about dreams and dream interpretation. So join me in the comments below and let me know, do you remember your dreams? And if you don't, have you tried to do anything to help you remember your dreams? Did it work or not? The most common thing I hear when I tell people that I talk about dream interpretation or that I have a YouTube channel about dream interpretation, they either say, oh, I love that, I dream a lot, or they go, I never remember my dreams. And they often want to. I have 4 quick steps that will help. First thing you want to do is set an intention. Now, what does that mean? Basically, all you're going to do is say to yourself 3 times, I will remember my dreams, I will remember my dreams, I will remember my dreams. Sounds kind of goofy, feels a little embarrassing, especially if your spouse or a kid is in the room, maybe even the dog. You're basically telling yourself you're going to remember your dreams. And that is something that sleep scientists use in the book When Brains Dream. They say that that's what they teach all their students, is to do that, and it does improve dream recall. And that's not the only book that talks about it. Almost anybody that you talk to about dreams, that's the first thing they'll tell you: set an intention. If you want to fancy it up a bit, you can ask yourself to remember your dreams. You can say, please help me remember my dreams when I wake up in the morning. You can ask a higher power to help you remember your dreams. But whichever way you want to do it, whether you're asking or you're telling, you're basically letting your body know, your brain, your subconscious, that you want to remember your dreams tonight. Now, you may not remember the first night. It might take a few nights of saying that, but try it 2 or 3 times and see if that changes things. If you're getting any value from this video, go ahead and click the like button below. Let me know, let other people know so they can find this video too and learn how to remember their dreams. The second step to remembering your dreams is when you wake up to write them down. So writing them down in a dream journal is the second most important way to continue your dream recall, to improve your dream recall. And there's a lot of videos that already are on this channel on how to keep a dream journal. I'll put links to some of them in the descriptions below. Basically, as soon as you wake up is when you want to write in your dream journal. Some people, for example, the authors of When Brains Dream, they do recommend that you kind of wake up, remember your dreams, kind of try to recall it and live in it, for a few minutes, and then to write it down. I find that if I try to do that, I fall back asleep. Unless I'm like really awake, I prefer to just wake up and then write it down as soon as I'm awake. So either way, the more important part is to write down the dream and have a way that you're capturing it and you're paying attention to it. The third step for remembering your dreams is to get enough sleep. So if you are sleeping 4 hours a night, you're not going to remember your dreams. Even 6 hours a night, you're probably not going to remember your dreams. So the longer that you sleep, the longer each dream gets. You actually dream throughout the night in all the dream stages, not just REM. And you have longer and longer dreams because the stages get longer and longer as you sleep. So you need to get a good 7, 8, 9 hours of sleep to have better dream recall. It helps if you can wake up naturally, but that's pretty hard to do in our world. But if you can, that also helps your dream recall. I'm actually going to do a video on different things that prevent dream recall. Right now I'm just talking about things you can do, but there are some other things that kind of get in the way of dream recall, and alarms is one of them, not getting enough sleep. But really, really important. If you're someone who is always on the go, too busy even to get a good night's sleep, you're probably not going to remember your dreams. Fourth and final step in this particular process for improving your dream recall is to pay attention to your dreams and to the messages that are in them. So that does involve interpreting them, but you don't have to interpret your dreams to remember them. I'm not saying that, but you do want to just be paying more attention to dreams in general. You'll find that as you are talking to people about dreams, as you share your dreams, as people share their dreams with you, as you read a little bit about dreams, you will start to remember your dreams. That's because you are open to paying attention to that. It kind of primes the pump, so to speak. So I wouldn't be surprised if you're on this video, if you watch it, you may remember your dreams tonight, depending on when you saw this video. I often find this happens when I give a workshop on dream interpretation, and there will be people in the workshop just like others that say, I never remember my dreams, but I wish I could. That's why I'm here at the workshop. I'm very interested in dreams. And then they will go home and that night they'll have a dream and they'll remember it and they'll message me about it. That's because they're paying more attention. If they were to keep talking about their dreams, they would continue to improve their recall. So that's what's fun about dreams. As you pay attention to them, you will start to remember more of them. And then if you want to know how to interpret your dreams, well, I've got you covered, because the next video is a link to how to interpret your dreams for beginners. Enjoy that video, and until I see you again, dream on.